back in 2017, Mattel released the Easter cars. Of course, we got Thor. This year we got 2. So, yeah, but we did get a new release with Bunny Ears Lightning McQueen. Make sure you check out that video. It's a good one. But yeah, of course, we got the Easter Buggy with the accessory. This year we don't get the accessory, which is a little downside, but it is good that we're getting them re-released again. But yeah, this was the sick packaging back in 2017 with the massive Cars logo and the Easter tire basket included, which is this. And we also got other cars such as Easter McQueen, which is here. We got Easter Mater, which I do have here. We got Easter Ramon, which I will show you in a little bit. But yeah. So, of course, reading the actual bio, it says, the folks at Radiator Springs can't wait for the Easter Buggy to visit and fill their tyres with treats. With springs, colours and decorations all over town. The friends are revved up and ready to celebrate. And of course, you've got the copyright down here. And Mattel/Cars. Inaccurate, always will be. Pretty cool. But yep, this was the packaging back in 2017. And this is the packaging we get today in the Horizon Desert series. Yay! I mean, I'm glad that this is getting re-released. And I will be opening this one up today. So of course, I got this from my usual supplier as I tried to balance it on my carpet thing here. From Get Me Collectibles. I'll leave his name here. Always do. Yeah. So he's in the singles 2020 KSD. I just said 2020. That's an idiot. I'm being an idiot. 2021 KSD. Of course, you do get 2. So that's why I'm opening one up for you guys today. So yeah. Anyways, the Easter Buggy. Different languages here. Mattel 3+. There's the ridge with the name tag to make sure it's in Thailand. Artwork, which is new because we didn't get the artwork in 2017. So I do like the artwork with the like whiskers and everything, kind of cool. Cars logo, metal because you know before they were plastic. On the back, other cars. All of these cars are already out from 2021. Green Ramon, Bunny Ears Lightning McQueen, Manny Flywheel, Down Ledford and Ruby was in this case as well. Of course, 2020, made in Thailand. Pretty cool. In cars. But it wasn't in cars, so I don't know why it's in the back of this packaging, even though it's inaccurate. But yeah, anyways, we're going to be right back with this guy all opened up. I swear the first few cases of like 2021 were really hard to open. Now they're like super easy. Anyways, here is the Easter Buggy. He is actually really heavy, not going to lie. And I would throw a picture up now, but I don't actually have the current book for Mater and the Easter Buggy. So, yeah, I won't throw pictures up because I don't want people to moan that these aren't my pictures. So, you know, we're not going to add pictures. I will do in the future if I do this video again and I have the book. But yeah, for the time being, no pictures. But you guys know pretty much what it was seen. Anyways, we will take a closer look at this diecast now. It is pretty cool. And I want to remind copyright on YouTube, my videos are not made for kids, so don't know why my comments are getting turned off. But anyways, we've got his 2-buck teeth here at the front. Reminds me of Mater so much. I don't know why Mater wasn't dressed up as the Easter Buggy, because, you know, it would make way more sense, because Mater's the dumb one. Yeah. We've got his whiskers on the side, which is actually pretty cool. Pink nose. Got the lights here. Now, of course, these are being made in Thailand now, so the China one will look different. I will compare it in a little bit. But yeah, the eyes aren't that blurry, actually. We've got the ears on the top, which actually are different to Lightning's ears, because they're not hollow, as you can see. Pretty cool. Onto the side, we've got Hoplite Tyres, so still like light year tyres, but just with light in it and hop. Pretty cool. The tyres are actually flower shaped. Didn't know that. It's got his door, which is actually a different colour now. And these little things, the fenders on the side here, the bumpers, are different colours from the original China release. Pretty cool. And of course here is the back. We can see like his massive exhaust pipe, which is kind of funny. Rear lights. And you can see Bong Goo, I think. And his license plate reads California. So he's from California, I believe, so that's nice. All this extra stuff on the back. And yep, here's the base, made in week 47. Disney Pixar. Pretty cool. So quick comparison to Mcqueen, you can see. I do like the Easter Buggy and I do like Mcqueen. And here's the original Easter Buggy now. You can see what I was talking about earlier, where the bumpers are different colours from its original release in China. Pretty cool. The pink seems to be different. Back, the license plates are different colours. You can see, blue and then black. He is based off a Volkswagen Beetle, I believe, just like way much bigger. Here's Cruise Basoro, just to show. Pretty cool. Do like the Easter Buggy. Let's bring back the packaging now, because why not? I did want to compare them to K-Lab just quickly because they do look similar. Which, check out my video on K-Lab coming out later today. Pretty cool. So yeah, that does end today's video. If you are new, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe. Always make sure you hit that bell as well down there. Till the next one, peace.